Everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to make your Android phone faster. So, the first thing that you want to do is on your phone, we're going to have to enable developer mode. Now, to do that, you want to open up your settings app and you want to search for software information right here. And what you want to do is you want to go for build number and you want to tap it 7 times. Now, as you can see, developer mode has already been enabled for me, so we don't have to worry about that for now. But once you've enabled it, you can head back out and then go down until you see developer options. You want to tap that and you want to scroll down until you can find the drawing section. Here you will have 3 different types of scales: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. So these 3 scales will allow you to adjust the speed that everything is displayed on your phone. That includes opening and closing apps, transitioning between different windows, and other things. So you can adjust the multipliers here, and the higher the multiplier, the longer it will take. So for example, if you were to turn off animation, it would just instantly open the app. Which means that for me, I like to put animation scale 0.5x for a balance between speed and at least a small animation that makes opening and closing things much quicker. Now, if this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.